Fixing Cash App we cannot verify to you problem. Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the Cash App. We can't verify that account belongs to your problem. While the process is very simple, what you have to do is you just have to wait for a few minutes and just probably an hour or two, just leave everything there, wait for 2 hours and then try looking in back again with your email address or phone number and try verify it, and this thing should work. Actually, there could be some trying to log in and they think that it is a suspicious activity, so they don't log you in. So just have to wait a few minutes and you will be able to log in. However, if you cannot still log in, you just have to go to Google, search for Cash App customer service. Now you just have to call them and talk to them that you're having this problem, and they will be able to help you out with that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.